everybody, it's Chad Nobody Else's Auto. Tonight we're going to check out some more inventory. This truck is actually not technically new inventory because it's been here for a couple years, but I kind of forgot about it. When I brought this truck, I brought it in and trying to find a place to roll it off, and I ended up clear out back in a corner, roll it off the trailer, and basically kind of forgot about it. It was kind of out of sight, out of mind, back out of the way. But it's such a great truck, so I finally got it moved up here, got it cleaned up a little bit. So it's kind of new inventory because nobody's seen it, and it kind of got lost. So it's rediscovered inventory, I guess we'll call it that. Really good looking 1969 Ford F-100. This is a Ranger. It's got the fancier trim, it's got the aluminum grille, chrome bumpers, two-tone blue and white, really attractive pickup. It is complete. Don't know anything about it as far as running and driving. I bought it just as you see it, and they had parked it, so I don't know anything about the drivetrain of it, but it also is still here. The truck is really pretty solid for its age. We'll take a peek under the hood while we're standing here. It's all intact, everything under the hood. It is a V8. Does have the wrong air cleaner, but the original air cleaner is still inside the pickup. But even you look over here, even the battery tray isn't rusted out on this truck. It's got a little surface rust, but it's not rotted away and gone like most of these things are. The hood is solid, even the front lip of the hood is solid. Factory air is still here, still got the AC compressor and everything still attached, condenser still here. So, power steering, pretty well loaded old pickup. Got a little bit of a whammo over here in the corner of the hood, but really for as impossible as these hoods are to find one with no rust, a few dents, not a big deal. Even the grill isn't in terrible shape for this truck, being an aluminum grill. Take a look at the left side over here, you can really see how the two-tone blue and white stands out. This truck does appear to have had one paint job at some point in its life. I think that's the original color scheme, but it has been painted at one time from what I can tell. But overall, a few dings and dents, a few little whammos here in the bed, a little bit of rust starting to come through the front fender, but overall this truck looks really solid. We'll take a peek inside here. We can look down here in the door jambs, look at the rocker panels. This thing is all solid everywhere. Interior still all in it, still got the factory air. Dash pad's cracked up a little bit. Looks like the seat's been redone at some point in its life because it has a different type of material, but it's still in good shape. So apparently it was done and wasn't even used all that much after the seat was done. Work well around the back. Look at the bed, even above the fender wells. It's good and solid. You can feel back in behind it. A little bit of ding in the back, but still not bad. Our Ranger trim back here on the rear bed sides. As we come around the back, we can see the trim on the back here. It's also got the aluminum panel on the tailgate, plus the extra molding since this was the Ranger package. Inside of the bed, dings and dents, but that's about it. Good solid floor, and even the dents and damage is still minimal considering this is a 50-year-old pickup. These trucks were used and abused, so for one to be in this condition after 50 years, still not too bad. We'll take a look at the right side. I kind of got it moved up here beside the building because we can't get real far back on it, but we still get a good look at the bedside here. We can see over the fender wells looks good, and like I said, just typical dings and dents, but no real serious damage at all. We'll pop this door open, take a look inside here as well. There we can see the original air cleaner. We can even see down on this rocker panel and in these cab corners down here where it's still all good and solid, just like it was on the other side. Let's take a peek in here. We've still got the original owner's manual in the glove box. So pretty neat old truck, and still really a pretty unmolested old truck. Sold new in Sapulpa, Oklahoma is where this truck came from originally. All that's still here in the truck, in the original owner's manual in the glove box. So pretty neat to find a truck like this in this condition, especially one that is this well loaded up with options, being the Ranger package with trim, factory air conditioning, great looking color scheme, great old pickup. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, great truck. I just unloaded it back in the corner and kind of forgot about it. So glad I finally got a minute to show it to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're having a lot of fun doing these videos, checking out a lot of cool iron. I hope you guys enjoy them as well. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them on over. Tell them to give the page a like so they can keep up with new videos as they're coming out. If If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my videos. It's old cars, trucks, automobilia. That's all we do on here because that's what we love. So hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you have questions, give me a call, 620-786-4428. That's the only way to get a hold of me. We have to have that conversation about your project, year, make, model, body style, what direction you're going with your build, things like that. Having that short conversation gives me all the information to know what you're trying to accomplish with your build, to see if I may have something that'll help you out here. So that's the only way to do it. Texts, emails, none of that stuff is ever clear. We've got 1,400 vehicles on 20 acres, 6 buildings, it's 20,000 square foot under roof of cars and parts. So I've got to have that information so I know exactly what you've got and where you're going, because I just have that much inventory in stock. So as always, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by, taking a few minutes out of your evening to hang out with me, check out what we've got going on. It's a lot of fun, but if you guys weren't stopping by and spending a little time with me, it'd get pretty boring and it wouldn't amount to much. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next video.